Hi guys, so hopefully you watched the crochet series I just did. It was more about basic stitches. There's lots more I can go into. If you guys like the way I presented it, let me know, and let me know if there's something in particular in crochet that kind of maybe is hard for you to grasp, and that way maybe I can work on that. The one thing I didn't talk about is increasing, that's another, or decreasing, sorry, which is another technique you might need to know, or like I said, front post, back post crochets, like things like that, stitches. If you're curious, I will try to see if I can find a pattern or make one up that uses those things. But increasing or decreasing is super easy. Just real quick, I want to mention is as you're working along and you need to decrease, what you're going to do is go in, let's say it's single crochet. I have my loop. I go into the stitch I need, I pull up my loop, and instead of yarning over and pulling through to make a single crochet, leave those two loops on, go to the next single crochet, pull up a loop, and then go ahead and pull your yarn through all three loops that are on your hook at that point. And now you've gotten rid of one single crochet, right? So where there used to be two, you only have one. And it's really easy, and then just continue working on whatever that is. Same thing with double crochet, you're just reducing the two by completing the stitch as one, when it's really half of like two stitches. But we can talk about that later. So what I was gonna do today is go ahead and give away these little hand warmers that I made. They're adorable, I love them. I have a pair already, you know, made for the initial ones that I had shown you guys as we were working on them. So I wanted to do a giveaway. I thought, why not? They're a little large for like my little Miranda, and I figured you guys would like that. So I'm gonna do a quick giveaway. I think what I'm gonna do is like I always do. So one comment, one entry per person. So a comment saying enter me, whatever else you'd like to say, but it has to say enter me to be considered. I'll use random.org to pick one winner. And then you have 48 hours once I choose the winner to say, oh, hey, it's me. And I'll usually leave my email there for you to send the email. You should be or must be a subscriber to my channel. And it'll close on December, let's make it kind of quick, December 10th, at midnight of December 10th, and then I'll choose a winner using random.org on December 11th, and again, send them out to whoever wins them. So hopefully you like them. Hopefully you tried to do some crocheting or follow along. I'll have the links for those tutorials. And thanks you guys for watching. We have almost 5,000 subscribers now on my channel, which is really nice, really great. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys always for your well wishes, for your comments, for always supporting the channel the way you do. One thing that's curious on all the crochet videos is that I do not have any comments, and I thought that was weird because someone always comments, at least to say, you know, thank you, or thanks for doing this, or hi, or just whatever they want to say, and none of them have comments. So I thought, is there a problem? Because I know YouTube is doing their stuff with like restricted mode for like kids videos, but it's not a kid video, so I'm like, I don't know. But if your children use your account a lot and they're watching a lot of kids things, they're gonna start considering you as an adult a kid. So it might be restricted mode when you go to watch it, even though I didn't set it as restricted mode. So hopefully that's not an issue. I just thought that was weird. But if you guys can do me a favor and leave a comment on one of those videos just so I can see what is going on, I thought that was really weird. I mean, really odd. But thanks for watching, guys. Again, say enter me here, and good luck. Bye now.